Hello, welcome to Math Gist. In this class, we quickly want to simplify this nice math problem. 2 raised to power 1000 minus 2 raised to power 999 minus 2 raised to power 998. Solution. 2 raised to power 1000 minus 2 raised to power 999 minus 2 raised to power 998 is unknown. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power 998 plus 2 minus 2 raised to power 998 plus 1 minus 2 raised to power 998 equal to, if you 2 raised to power 998 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power 998 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 minus 2 raised to power 998. That is, if you have a raised to power n plus m, this is equal to a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m equal to 2 raised to power 998 is common. Let's bring it out. If you divide this by this, we have 2 square minus, if you divide this by this, we have 2 raised to power 1 minus, if you divide this by this, we have 1 equal to 2 raised to power 998 bracket 2 square is 4 minus 2 raised to power 1 is 2 minus 1 equal to 2 raised to power 998 bracket 4 minus 3 equal to 2 raised to power 998 bracket 1, and this is equal to 2 raised to power 998. And this is the final answer. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.